You guys like my shirt? It says cheeseburger deluxe. I want a burger right now. Hey guys, what's up? It's Gloria. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to get this look I am wearing right now. It's a fall look, very to be like on the season, just with the warm tones and the fall and the leaves and the everything. So I hope you guys like this video. I want to point out that throughout the video my lining is messing up a little bit, a lot. It makes my face like white, like Casper the ghost, and like it doesn't let you see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to try to edit that out and avoid that, but if it does happen, just bear with me. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Brought you guys a little bit up close and personal. I've already done my eyebrows and prime my eyelids off camera. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, make sure to watch my last video. I did my brow routine / brow tutorial there, so just make sure to watch it. So today I'm going to be using the Tarte Pro palette from Tarte. It's all these beautiful colors right here. This palette is not new, but it's like one of the best palettes out there, no joke. I love this palette. First things first, I'm going to go in with the shade Classic right here. It's like a bone shade. I'm going to put that all over my lid just to set that concealer I put down first. Alright, so basically I'm just going to use the first row on the palette right here. Next up, I'm going to go in with the shade Innocent. This is a nice transition shade. I'm going to put it on my crease just a lot. I'm not stopping it. Make sure you don't go with such a heavy hand because the shades are pigmented, I'm telling you. So just go in with a light hand and then build up the color from there. I just do like little circular motions and just swipe back and forth. By the way, I applied that transition shade with a Morphe R37. Next up, I'm going to grab the shade Whimsy right here. I'm going to do basically the exact same thing, but I'm going to grab a much smaller fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M433. I'm going to go back with the same, like the first brush I used, without grabbing anything, just whatever's left on the brush. I'm going to blend those two shades together some more. Alright, so next up I'm going to use this Real Techniques, what is this, base shadow brush, and I'm going to grab the deeper shade Smoked right there, this one, and then I'm going to just pack it on my lid. Actually just half of the lid. I didn't realize I wasn't recording, but I did go back in with the shade Whimsy and intensified it on my outer corners, just to blend the smoke shadow a little bit more. Alright, now I'm cleaning up my under eye and like just the shape of my shadow and giving it a little bit of a cat eye shape, but not really, not too harsh. Alright, so now I'm going to grab the shade Glam right here, this one right here, to highlight my brow bones. And now for the exciting part, I'm going to go in with the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow on the in the shade Starlight. It's like liquid metal. It's so pretty. So I'm going to put that on my lid, my inner lid. So this actually dries super fast and they don't budge or anything. So be very careful putting this. I'm gonna go in straight like on my eyelid with this. I'll just be very careful with that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab the flat brush which I used smoked with, and I'm going to just like connect that Stila liquid shadow to the brown part on my lid, just to make it seem more blended. Alright, so I went ahead and popped some lashes off camera, and now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face to start with the base makeup. I'm going to be using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. It gives your skin a glow, and I just feel like it makes my foundation look so much more smooth. So I'm just gonna put it right here. And like on my T-zone. Mostly all over the face, really. If you're on a more oily side, I don't recommend you put this like right here on this part because it is a little bit luminizer, even though the foundation does cover it, but you can see it is a little bit luminizing. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation, the Pro Filt'r, and I'm using mine in the shade 210, and I'm going to apply this with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10 Light. And I think this is too dark. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape because it is lighter. I'm gonna put this on top of the Maybelline one and highlight with this one. To set my face, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal powder. So I'll just go Ethereal setting powder. And I'm going in with the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. And I'm gonna really pack this powder on my under eye because I want to finish my lower lash line with eyeshadow and I don't want any fallout to ruin my concealer. Alright, for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and a pencil brush that will smoke out. And I'm going to mix the shades Innocent and Whimsy together. And just smoke it out on my lower lash line. Alright, next I'm going to grab the shade Smoked, that dark brown shade. I'm gonna focus it on my outer corner, like really close right here, and kind of connecting it with the top part. And then I'm going to grab the shade Glam and highlight my inner corners. To finish up my lower lash lines, I'm going to grab the eyeliner pencil from the brand Jonteblu. Hopefully I said that right. shade dark brown, and I'm going to line my waterline with this. Before applying bronzer, blush, and highlight, I'm going to go in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray just to make everything melt into skin, all the powder I put on my face. I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to put this on like all the perimeters of my face, my cheekbones, my forehead, right here, the temples. And then after, I'm going to contour my nose with this same bronzer. And to contour my nose, I'm going to grab my Real Techniques small, what is it? Deluxe crease brush. Next, I'm going to give my cheeks a little bit of color with the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm going to use a fan brush. Now for the highlight, I'm going to be using the Ofra Rodeo Drive. A little bit down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, the Cupid's bow, and chin right there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, to finish up the look, I'm going to use the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter, 75 Fighter. And you want to be really careful with this because once they're on and they don't move. So just be like really careful lining your lips with this. And now to finish up, I'm going to spread some more of the Milani Make It Last just to set everything in place. And that is it for this look, you guys. You can always pair this look with a nude lip. I just wanted to do something a little bit more different for today's look, but yeah, a nude will pair with this like glossy nude lip. Oh my gosh, yes. But anyways, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and make sure to hit the notification bell button just to be notified whenever I upload and you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao. I'm in my mom's room right now. That's why it looks so clean, because my room is not clean. My room is a mess. And that's how I break my nails.